Welcome to ShiroMark 2. This was a React update to a project I made with Shiro from my Flatiron cohort. Originally was a JavaScript front end and back end. We now have React. So it's a restaurant review site. You can see some featured restaurants and reviews on the main page. And if we go ahead and create an account right now, first I'll show you what happens if we forget a field for a second. So we're adding a bio, profile pic, and a number of other things. But you'll see we forgot the display name. That's a required field. So let's go ahead and fill that out now. When we hit submit, you'll see that we are brought back to the home page. Again, those featured restaurants are up front, and you can see those recent reviews. If you click into a restaurant show page, you'll see things like address, tags. But if we go ahead and attempt to create a review, now on the restaurant show page, you'll see some basic information like tags and phone numbers, but if you wish to create a review, you have that option just below. You'll add a title, a rating, and a brief description. When you click submit, you'll see that that review is added to the bottom of the page here. We have the availability to edit these reviews with some additional detail if you are the user who is logged in. And you'll see that that is immediately reflected in the review. You can also add comments from reviews. 1 star for our 5 star, might as well leave a comment there. And if we wanted to see what Eric's tastes actually are, you can click into his profile. Here you'll see his recent reviews, as well as those who follow him. Now if you hit the follow button, you'll see that that is added to his profile. And what's interesting now is back on the home screen, you'll see that it is actually dynamically loading in users who reviews that we follow. If you're not following everyone, you'll see the most recent. In the restaurant tab on the nav bar, you'll see we have a list of all of the restaurants available for you to review. And finally, if we click into your own profile, you can edit some information. Things like location, let's say we move back to New Jersey, simple enough. And finally, from this page, you can also delete your reviews. All right, you'll log out and you're brought back to the home screen, where again, you'll dynamically see the more recent reviews.